Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're in the lovely city of Bristol and we've just stayed at the Green King. We're in the university part of the city and we're going to take a little wander down to the Wetherspoon, get a breakfast, and I thought I'd take you guys along, so let's see Wagwan. So we'll go across here, zebra crossing.
Statue of a,
yeah, soldier. So we came from up there. Not a little bad area to stay in. We stayed just outside the city, so we drove in and got a bus from the park and ride to get ourselves in. It's been a while since we've been to a city in the UK, so it's been quite nice to see all the different bars, coffee shops, restaurants, all the little thrift stores. So yeah, it's been nice. Had a good night out yesterday, went to a Caribbean restaurant. So look out for our previous video and you can see that. And that was really, really nice. Give that a good, I'd say solid 8 out of 10. Really great staff, good food, good flavour. Drinks were extremely potent, which was fantastic. I think Kirk had a shot because we did this for his birthday weekend and the shot was 75%. So yeah, definitely gave him a bit of a wake up. So from the hotel, the nearest supermarket was a Waitrose and a Sainsbury, which is quite convenient. So Waitrose was just behind us and Sainsbury's, as you can see, is just coming up ahead. Oh, we woke up this morning and the wind is absolutely deadly. My eyes are really watering. At least it's not raining. Yeah, it's not too bad of a walk. We might walk into the centre today as well. Have a little city tour. So you can get buses to the city.
do now as well.
Yep. So from this part, if you are staying here and you don't want to walk, there's plenty of ways of getting there. And obviously you've got a taxi. We got a Bolt last night, didn't we? Yeah. Oh, sorry. My eyes like proper watering. Oh God, that wind. Got a cool place there. Kilroy. Yeah. So yeah, comment below if you have been to Bristol or if you live in Bristol. Because I think it is somewhere, it's on our doorstep, so we'll be coming back. So let us know if there's anywhere that you want us to go stay or go and check out, any cool bars, restaurants. Comment below. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to press the little subscribe button. And if you're enjoying the content, give us a thumbs up as well. And hype, whatever the hype is. Give us hype. So we've got a museum here of art. Okay. I've just got tears streaming down my face. Bristol Museum and Art Gallery. And there's the Wetherspoon, which is where we're going. And then you've got this massive, is this the museum then? It looks like a church, but University of Bristol. Oh, okay. It's a nice building, isn't it? Nice. I don't know.
Wallace.
Oh yeah, from Grommet, Wallace and Grommet, yeah.
It's Grommet.
Hi guys, so we've just finished having our breakfast at the Wetherspoon and we're going to now walk to Wembley to get the bus to go to the park and ride. So let's see while we're on. Absolutely freezing today.
We had to walk up this hill yesterday.
Yeah. And it was really like muggy yesterday, so it was like, yeah, not good. But a nice view of the city. Really nice view. Obviously this is a student city, so if you're a student, lots of discounts and everything for you. So another big hill up there. Not for the faint-hearted. Huh? Oh yeah, you got the street art though. Really pretty. Face. Oh. Yeah, it is freezing. Cool little sock place there. Oh, I've just got tears streaming down my face. That's how cold it is, people. It's making my eyes water so much. Sock place.
Socks.
Socktopus.
It's a nice sack place.
Gin and juice, if you know, you know. Right, I might have to give this to Kurt for a second to sort out my eyes because I can't see anything. Oh my god. Nice big fish store there as well. That's what I miss when you don't live in a city. I don't know if it's open, but... Marco Polo. Oh, you got Dorothy's Diner.
Bristol First Museum.
Another museum, Philosophical Institute. This one looks a bit like a Casper's, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Dorothy's Diner. Right, then we're coming to this little light area, which I think is another part of the uni. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah.
I think that's a part of
City
the
Hall.
uni,
City Hall. It says
Hall.
yeah. So got the
That's
main.
City Hall, that's
Yeah.
cool. And then
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad for a city hall though, isn't it? It's very grand. A very pretty church over there. Oh, insomnia cookies. Keeps you up, does it? Open late.
And looks like they're from the inside, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually. And then they've got a Gale's coffee next door. Oh, I can't describe to you how cold it is today though. It is bitter winds today. It's only a problem with city breaks when you're doing it in the winter. It's hit and miss on the weather.
In England it's always cold. You're on about hit and miss. I guarantee it's cold.
Wow.
Guarantee it's going to be cold. January in England.
If you do prefer the warmer climate, check out our channel. We have got other destinations where you don't need to be wrapped up.
But this is our new series that we're doing in the UK. So.
Yeah, so we tried hotels which are part of a brewery. So we did the Wetherspoon and we did the Green King. And we're going to do a few more, so look out for those.
We will come back to do the Marriott.
Yeah, we want to do a bit more of an upmarket series of hotels as well. So yeah, do comment below if there's anything you do want us to do, see, check out. Or if you own a pub and a hotel and you want us to come and check it out.
Queen Elizabeth. Was it Victoria?
Victoria, it looks like. I don't know.
Yeah, Victoria.
Yeah, Victoria. We saw her in Malta as well, didn't we? She gets around. Yeah, she gets around. Well, yeah. We didn't see the Victoria, we saw a statue. Yeah, she is passed.
And it's freezing.
Yeah. Both of us have got our gloves. True UK weather, you need your gloves. So if you're watching us from abroad and you want to do a nice UK city break, bring your thermals, bring your gloves.
In January.
Yeah, in January. Wow.
August is okay. And then September beginning coast again. 1 month of summer in England.
Yeah, you might get away with it in July and August, but the rest of it, no. Got the aquarium up there.
I missed it.
I missed the sign, but anyway, up there was the aquarium. Got some like restaurants and stuff going along the canal. Got a main bus bit here, so you can get the bus to like the airport and stuff from here. Obviously Bristol does have an airport, so nice and handy. So what we're thinking of doing, if we've got a flight from Bristol, stay at a hotel, get an early flight the next day and just go straight from here.
It's cold.
It's freezing. Forgive me, I have like I've just had a good cry fest, but that's just the wind.
I'm making her cry.
No, the wind is making me cry, my eyes just watering. Broadway House. What's he smoking?
Smoking the pipe, isn't he?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. I just.
Another little bit up there. Nice pink house. So yeah, Bristol's part of the clean air zone, so you've got loads of like the scooters and bikes, electric buses.
Cow and so.
Cow and zone. It's a nice little cut-through park. I guess it's nicer in the summer. There's like a load of Gwens over there. We've got a Shepsky, so there's like different breeds of Shepskys, isn't it? 3 Gwens would be a big handful.
Prefer that than 3 Lorenzos.
Lorenzo is lovely, but yes, he is a big boy.
Grand buildings here.
Yeah, really nice. Queen Square House.
That's what the square's called.
Yeah, Queen Square. So yeah, we're just walking through Queen Square. Right, that's remembering which way. Right, so we've just gone through Queen Square. We walked all the way from the Green King Hotel where we were staying, so don't forget to check that out. And if you want to do the compare, it's with the Wetherspoon, and we stayed in a nice little area just outside Bath called Warmester. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll guys see you on the next one.